with one attitude: to change. Ladies and gentlemen, in life and even in DXN, the system is same, life is same, but many people become successful, many people, they don't become successful. What is the difference between people who are becoming successful in DXN and who are not becoming successful in DXN? Because the system is same, marketing plan is same, products are same, everything is same. But some people become successful, some people does not become successful. The basic difference which we have between successful people and unsuccessful people, that is what we're gonna make over here between these four walls. Are you ready for doing that? Ladies and gentlemen, system, if you work properly, the system will give you everything. This is a problem-solving company. This is a solution-providing company. In order to make that change in your mind, first and foremost, you need to make up your mind. You need to decide, not tomorrow, now, that next 2 days, I'm gonna change myself. Are you ready to do that? Yes. So here, we have a fantastic panel of speakers, as Mr. Shabir told, and I'm really proud to welcome all of them here. First and foremost, we have the International Marketing Director of DXN, who has been instrumental for the establishment and growth of different countries and different regions of DXN in the world, who is none other than a very familiar name for most of you who are coming from different countries, Mr. Jijit NK. Please put your hands together to welcome him. And we have the sheet anchor person of DXN Middle East, who are there to solve all our challenges, all our problems, who are giving timely advices for the growth of this community, who is none other than the former chairman of Consumer Protection Society in UAE, Dr. Hassan Al-Khateeri. Please put your hands together to welcome him. And the next couple whom I'm going to introduce, a combination of university professor and a medical doctor. And I'll tell you about DXN. How many members are there in DXN all over the world? 9.5 million members. Hold your applause. And I'm talking about this couple. Out of these 9.5 million members, 4.5 million members are under them. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Professor Vatsupal and Dr. Ratna Vatsupal. Now that goes for a discussion, right? And we have the pride of DXN Middle East. We always have pride and privilege in our mind when we introduce our Crown Ambassador, who is none other than Mr. Mohammad Fatemi Ghani. Please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Mohammad Fatemi Ghani. Whenever there are camps in Middle East, we always call one person who is living in Philippines. Why? Because he always brings fire from Philippines. He comes here, he put the fire here and he goes back. Who is none other than Ms. Rosler Santo Thomas. Please put your hands together to welcome Ms. Rosler Santo Thomas. We have a very powerful and not one of the most successful Bangladeshi leader who had recently taken the residency in Malaysia and who is an example of freedom from DXN, who is none other than Mr. Harun al-Rashid. Please put your hands together to welcome. we have a very powerful leader, a very powerful speaker, one of the most intelligent leaders we have in this region, and who is one of the most blessed speakers of this region, who is none other than Mr. Mansoor. Please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Mansoor. People say direct selling business is ladies' business. Out of the total data all over the world, direct sellers, 77% are ladies, right, Mr. Gani? 77% are ladies. And we have one lady here who is carrying one entire country on her shoulders, who has become the reason for the country's growth, who has become an inspiration for many ladies in this region, who is none other than Madam Huda Tahmas. Please put your hands together to welcome Madam Huda Tahmas. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us four more speakers, but they are not present right now. And one is the fastest crown ambassador in the world, Mr. Laszlo Kocho. He will join us tomorrow. And we have two very great doctor speakers who are none other than Dr. Asma Munir and Dr. Shankar Wadela. And we have one of the most successful leaders from Oman, Mr. Sultan Saeed Al-Alawi. He also will join with us very soon. Let's welcome them with a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, I have told about the fastest crown ambassador in the world, Mr. Laszlo Kocho. And he had become the fastest crown ambassador in 5 years. And here we have another lady who's gonna break that record, inshallah, within 3 years. She has displayed one of the most fastest growth rate that any leader had achieved all around the world. And she is with us here to teach you as what is her secrets, who is none other than Madam Amira Al-Yubi. Please put your hands together to welcome her. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how to welcome you all for making this makeover very, very successful. And I have seen one lady who had come all the way down from Sweden today. Where is she? Yeah. She is one of the examples. I know that many of you had taken pain to fly from different parts of the world to become a part of this camp. And because of you, this camp always becomes successful. We don't know how to express our gratitude on behalf of DXN Middle East management for attending this camp, and we will keep our promise, inshallah. When we say makeover, we really mean that. When we say makeover, we really mean transformation of your business, of your character, of your attitude, and of your life. Thank you so much, and welcome once again to Makeover 2020.